Yeah, so guys, like, wait, before that, Purvi, can we agree not to do blitzkrieg level dancing in the middle of the podcast?
Why?
Sorry,
Why?
I
Let her
can't
dance.
promise
What's
anything.
your
I'm sorry, I
problem?
can't
Yeah.
promise anything.
Okay, boss. Sorry, boss.
Let's do what we did before we start recording. Puri.
अब क्या चल रहा है मेरे को भी नहीं पता क्या नशे करके हम लोग आज पॉडकास्ट कर रहे हैं बट
आई
या
सर जो भी ये देख रहा है, सर जो भी ये देख रहा है, they're like कितने लेम लोग हैं, हमें
आई
क्यों
स्वेयर
देखना है.
ब्रो. Hey guys, and welcome to yet another episode of the Almighty Podcast series. We are on episode 4 now, and this time we have the wonderful ladies of Pad Bank with us, Juhi, Purvi, Swasti, and of course Rudrakshi. This is a very chill podcast again. We talk about a lot of fun stuff and a few serious topics as well. So sit back, relax, and enjoy this episode of the Almighty Podcast series. Alright guys, and welcome to another episode of the Almighty Podcast. Today we virtually have the wonderful ladies from Pad Bank with us. Guys, Purvi, stop dancing first of all. And ये क्या introduction चल रहा है ये? Alright, so we have Purvi with us, we have Juhi, we have Swasti, and we have Rudrakshi. Guys, over to you.
Namaste.
Pranam.
Hi.
Yeah. The Sanskari ladies of Pad Bank.
करके हमें वोट दे दीजिए.
Vote bank / Pad Bank. Anyway, guys. So moving on, how has the quarantine been for you guys?
Boring.
बहुत गंदा. Yeah.
I was
this question. है ना तो काफी बुरी होते हैं.
I was told कि Purvi learned a new dance for the quarantine / this whole podcast. Would you like to please elaborate on that?
Let me show you.
ये प्रिपेयर करना पड़ा तेरे को?
But I didn't even finish my dance, okay?
Hello.
Oh, sorry.
Blitzkrieg, are you watching this? Blitzkrieg / Showstoppers. This will be your competition from now on.
ले लो, please ले लो.
Please ले लो
Now
इसे.
I'm done.
Anyway, moving on. So guys, quarantine में यार most लोग तो बकवास करते हैं. मैंने तो पूरा quarantine बकवास किया है पूरे के पूरे. And
हमें पता है.
it has come to my notice कि you guys are working on something for a change instead of doing time pass in the whole quarantine. Pad Bank, that is the name of the organization, right? Since this is
मेरा Pad Bank.
मेरा oh yeah, sorry ये थोड़ा सा हौमे की भावना है तेरे में, but sure. Yeah, so मेरा Pad Bank. Yeah, so you guys have been working on Mera Pad Bank, and I've gone through your website. It's pretty cool, and ये थोड़ा सा chill सा podcast है, so we won't talk a lot about Mera Pad Bank. We'll talk more about the team behind it, right? So could you just elaborate in one sentence to the people who don't know what Pad Bank is, what it would be?
Basically, in Mera Pad Bank, what we do is we distribute sanitary napkins to underprivileged girls and women, okay, for free.
Mhm.
And our ultimate mission is to basically eradicate period poverty.
That's good. And how far has Pad Bank come along by now?
So it's been like it's about to be 3 years in Jan.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And right now, at this moment, we're supporting like 400 girls in Jaipur.
Holy fuck! So
Like
3
with-
years means तूने स्कूल में start किया होगा. स्कूल में मेरा 11th में फिजिक्स नहीं पास हो रहा था and you made this whole organization.
It's
Damn.
okay. मेरा भी नहीं हो रहा था पास.
Flex.
इसीलिए बनाना पड़ा कि कुछ अच्छा तो कर लेते, कुछ तो अच्छा
चलो
कर
थोड़ा
लेते.
side business. चलो nice. It's good to know, and good to know how far Pad Bank has come along. So that's pretty cool. Other than that, I'm pretty sure you guys must have been missing Manipal as much as I have. या मेरा पूरा सीन था पता है. I'm like second year में लड़की को पटाएंगे. But
फिर नहीं होता है.
But Nick, Arinja, I'll tell you something,
Yeah.
okay? तो second year में आता लड़की नहीं पटती तो problem होती है, ठीक है?
depression.
But now at least you have a
excuse है.
excuse.
yeah,
Exactly.
obviously.
Now you have an excuse.
Guys,
So
it's
we
not
have
my
to.
face, guys. I'm very handsome. It is the quarantine.
You
Yeah.
compare.
Keep
Yeah.
yourself back.
Muscular.
Keep yourself back.
So, Rudrakshi, let me ask you, what is the thing you miss the most from Manipal right now?
I think I miss Swasti the most.
Oh, guys, this is secretly a relationship making podcast. Swasti X Rudrakshi match made, ship I ship.
Purvi and I already are like matchmakers. And
Seema auntie, where you at? You have nothing on us. ऐसे matches बनते हैं इससे. Anyway,
रुद्राक्षी कैसी घटिया चीजें मिस कर रही है तो I mean there's so much in Manipal.
I agree with Purvi.
self-deprecation 100. Wait, Swasti, what do you miss the most in Manipal? अगर तूने रुद्राक्षी नहीं बोला तो उसका दिल टूट जाएगा.
I miss going to the beach.
Oh,
Because इसके और दोस्त लोग हैं.
I have no friends.
that's pretty cool. क्योंकि यार देख, I'll be honest, मेरा first year in Manipal, I haven't been to a single beach yet.
Arrange, we're going.
I have been very busy. Okay, मेरा weekend में
Busy
पूरा
to
काम
what?
करता है.
What? लड़की तो नहीं पता है तो क्या busy?
तो और भी काम है मेरे पास लाइफ में. Okay.
पर तूने कुछ काम नहीं किया ना लाइफ
So
में.
let me flex a little, na. Let me flex. So
Dude,
I'm
what
like,
was your CGPA?
let's not
Management
talk about
committee of
let's not talk about
management
that.
committee of
Let's not talk about that.
management committee of
Yeah,
Arrange,
I'm
head
coming
of
to
management of.
coming to flex about that now. So I'm like I'm the head of management of Parikshit Student Satellite. So like, समझ जाओ यार. I'm looking forward to going to the beach now. I've heard a lot about the beaches in Manipal. How is it exactly?
And it's amazing.
It's very nice. You know, it's very very clean also.
अच्छा.
Yeah, they're
And
very
it's so
clean.
calm and it's nice.
अरे the thing is
You
I
know, we
How
went to
have you not been to one?
No, my friends and I we went to Marwanthe. उसमें literally एक side पे sea है, ocean है और एक side पे river है.
River.
And it's like पतला सा road. And
Holy
it is
shit.
gorgeous. It's beautiful and it's amazing. और इधर कोई आता भी नहीं है.
यार मैं प्लान बना के गया था यार, सेकंड थर्ड ईयर में यही करेंगे, और सेकंड थर्ड ईयर के पहले करो ना 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 ना.
मुझे
Anyway,
वो करने नहीं दिया.
कोरोना ने मेरे को कुछ नहीं करने दिया.
Listen, हमने भी सोचा था कि हम लोग हर बीच पे जाएंगे 4 साल में.
हाँ, मैं एक भी बीच नहीं गया हूँ. कि मेरा अकाउंट अभी तक 0 पे.
See, Delta is very pretty.
I know, I've heard
Yeah,
Delta is
Delta
very pretty.
Very very pretty.
वो delta Bengre and then वो
Dude,
पूरा
and
जो
you know
है,
what's the
stretch.
worst part right now is everybody's posting like their memories on Instagram that like 1 year ago
And
I
you
was at
don't
beach.
have memory.
I'm like,
I'm
You know
not.
what?
what?
You know what? I'm gonna do it
You
right
should
now.
Post
No,
our pictures.
no.
You should post our pictures. You know. You should post
Are you?
our pictures and be like missing Manipal.
And you know all these pages like MTT and MIT post, everybody's also posting nostalgia stuff about like beaches and all.
Yeah.
I'm like, भाई मेरे पास कुछ nostalgia है ही नहीं.
ये
काम में
क्या
ही पूरा
है?
लाइफ बिता दिया. ये सब कुछ देखा ही नहीं है. But it's fine, like I've lived next to the beach for 10 years of my life, तो चलता है. अभी भी बीच वहीं पे है.
Flex, flex,
Flex,
flex.
flex, flex, flex,
Then it doesn't matter. No, I literally live in Rajasthan.
flex, flex,
So-
flex. पधारो हमारे देश
कोई
flex. Were all of you in block 22?
No,
Which
I'm in
were you
block 7.
ओ भाई,
7.
block 7 के तो बहुत किस्से सुने हैं मैंने.
But we are very cool.
I know. Block 7 people are some of the best people I've seen so far. Shout out to my block 7 homies. Hey, hello. खास क्यों रही है?
Enjoy.
हाँ.
The coolest people you've met are me and Purvi.
अच्छा. Too much credit. But like, let me ask you guys this question: how epic is block 22/7 in comparison to 17? I mean, 17 the best है, उसके बाद की बात कर रहा हूँ.
Not at all. मतलब
No.
personal opinion, not at all.
What
तुम
shenanigans
बहुत
have you guys
बकवास है.
pulled off in block 22?
Nothing.
Overslept. That's it.
Sorry.
We overslept. That's probably the most interesting thing which we've done. I told you my story, no? The holy wala story.
Oh
Ah,
भाई.
tell.
So basically this one friend of mine told me to
Mhm.
wake her up in the morning and we were together till like 4 or something, 4 a.m. And then she's like, wake me up at 7, okay? And I was
Mhm.
like, what makes you think I'm gonna wake up? So after all that argument, she gave me her keys and she's like, subah aake utha dena.
Mhm.
So I told, since I do not wake up that early, I tell my roommate to wake me up because she is like an early riser. So
Mhm.
she woke me up at 7 and in like very, very dead zombie way, I walked to my friends, unlocked her door, woke her up and then she was like, "No, 5 minutes or." So then I went back. This happened like 3 times.
Oh god. So you're basically human snooze button. Yeah.
Yeah, for the one time, yes. And then I did what any other snooze button does. So then for the fourth time, I go and I was like, Uthna abhi. And she's like, nahi, 5 minutes. So then I actually gave up and I slept next to her. So both of us slept for like half an hour. And then my roommate walks in. And I'm like, what the hell?
Juhi, you became the very thing you were meant to destroy.
Yeah.
Oh my.
Firstly, I'm so sorry. It's not entertaining enough.
You had
I'm
one
so
job. You had
sorry.
one job, Juhi. You had one job. Now, Rudrakshi, you tell me what crazy shit happens in Block 7.
I mean, we just sit and cry that all of us are single. I, Janvi, and Swastika. This is what we do.
Hey.
We're like randomly.
I know these people.
Arranger relating Max.
Everyone knows them. They're
See,
very
but
nice.
I mean, like, I'm fine with like being single,
I
but
really
like,
love them.
yeah. Abhi, but no.
Arinjay, shut up and give
Course you are,
shout outs to
Arinjay.
like Swastika and Janvi for being so awesome.
See,
And all of us love them.
First of all, I would like to take this platform to give a massive shout out to Swastika because she carries the entire EC during assignments. So big shout out to you.
Janvi helps us with CSC, bro. Janvi helps us with CSC.
Janvi, shout out to you from the CSC department and fraternity. We respect and commemorate your contributions to these fields.
Basically,
Oh, bhai.
Swati has his best friend. Okay, had this best friend.
I
Uska
was
naam hai?
Swastika's best friend. Oh my god. I'm hurt here. I'm hurt.
Hi, Hurt. I'm Arinjay.
I just
Yeah,
stop.
stop, Yaran. Drive a dagger through the camera.
Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Purvi, please
Okay.
continue.
I'm sorry,
Yeah.
I'm Juhi.
I swear.
So Swasti has this best friend back in Delhi.
Mhm.
Okay, and पूरे टाइम मतलब मैं जब भी रूम एंटर करती थी पूरे टाइम उसी से फोन पे मतलब ऐसे चिपकी रहती थी ठीक है पूरे टाइम उसी से फोन
Oh,
करती
भाई.
थी नाउ इनिशियल few days ना I didn't mind okay I was like ठीक है चलो whatever and then this bitch this ass okay मैं रूम में घुसी और मैं कुछ बोल रही थी और
Wait,
उसको मेरी
wait,
आवाज
Purvi,
से he's like
before you continue, I would just like to tell the audience, Purvi and Swasti are cousins, second cousins or something. So this is
and we're
parivarik,
also roommates
parivarik pyar, which you just saw,
Also.
which you saw Purvi giving her cousin was very parivarik. All the beautiful words. Anyway, continue.
yeah so this beep and a beep okay
अरे वो मैं बीप कर
He's
देता
like-
यार एडिटिंग में
अच्छा
मैनुअल बीप
Okay.
की जरूरत नहीं है.
okay okay anyway so he's like इसका बेस्ट फ्रेंड मानन he's like ये कौन है इसकी आवाज कितनी गंदी है
आ गया पूर्वी.
एंड आई स्वेयर वो मेरे सामने होता मैं इतना जोर का थप्पड़ लगाती हूँ उसे
Anyway, guys, moving on. So you guys talked about what epic shit happens in your hostels. Now tell me, what do you think happens in a boys' hostel?
Cricket.
Apparently you guys
In the
don't
corridor.
make it.
Firecrackers in a washing machine. You burst firecrackers in washing machines, which made all of us not have washing machines. So
We
I
also
don't
never
know
had
what
washing machine, okay?
to.
No, we don't.
They were there before you came.
हाँ
Yeah.
तो वो
they
सीनियर को
were.
ब्लेम करो ना यार हम शरीफ लोग ने क्या किया
तुम लोग balcony से फेंकते हो ना? I think.
What?
Stories से-
ये कब हुआ है
मैं okay
I
I'll
have
tell you
obviously
okay
not done this.
भाई लड़के आर क्रेजी ओके समटाइम्स आई एम लाइक मेरे को भी जाना है पता है दिवाली का सीन में बताती हूँ दिवाली को स्वस्ति का बर्थडे था ओके सो हमने पहले लाइक वी कट केक एंड ऑल एंड एवरीथिंग दैट हैपेंड फिर मैं और स्वस्ति एकदम यू नो जब
एकदम-
पारिवारिक माहौल बना लिए
हाँ.
ठीक है हम एकदम ऐसे बाहर गए and रंगोली बनाने लग गए ठीक है and then my friend two of my friends they call me and I'm like happy Diwali and all and then मुझे ऐसे
Oh
उसके
God.
बाद I heard such a loud noise I'm like कोई बॉम्ब फट गया क्या या कुछ पता नहीं कुछ बहुत बड़ा सा ऊपर से
Oh
नीचे
boy.
गिर गया and he cut the call ठीक है फिर 1 घंटे बाद फिर से उसका कॉल आया and he's like किसी ने मतलब वो केयरटेकर के ऊपर या पानी गिरा दिया समथिंग ठीक है किसी के रूम में पटाखे छोड़ दिए कुछ ऊपर से नीचे गिरा रहे हैं हम लोग हो क्या रहा है एंड एट दैट पॉइंट स्वस्ति वाज एक्सचेंजिंग स्वीट्स विद आवर लाइक नेबरिंग रूम
Wow, कितना
हाँ,
पारिवारिक
तो
माहौल चल
फिर
रहा है गर्ल्स हॉस्टल में फायर क्रैकर थिंग इज क्वाइट ट्रू बिकॉज लाइक बॉयज हॉस्टल में भी काफी चलता है लाइक आई रिमेम्बर वंस आई वाज जस्ट वॉकिंग ओके और मैं कुछ काम कर रहा था अपने लैपटॉप पे एंड आई वाज वॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड्स रूम और रास्ते में आई थिंक आई स्टेप्ड ऑन वन ऑफ दोस पॉम थिंगीज लाइक यू थ्रो इट ऑन द वॉल एंड दे बर्स्ट
ओ
Yes,
एकदम
yes.
थोड़ा क्यूट ही
Yeah.
क्यूट.
अरे what
हाँ.
जो भी होता है भाई. तो I stepped on those thing and that thing by mistake और मेरे नीचे से पूरा explosion हुआ. I'm like और मेरा लैपटॉप मेरे हाथ से गिर गया.
हाँ.
So I'm like ओ भाई. ओ भाई.
वो इतने छोटे से होते हैं यार, ऐसा भी कुछ नहीं होता है उनमें.
अरे यार तो मैं I was not expecting anything ना. So फिर वो हो गया.
Basically, this Arinja is like Chui Mui, okay? He's like this delicate little flower. जिसे कोई touch नहीं कर सकता flower.
हम लोग पटाखा जला के एक दूसरे के ऊपर फेंकते हैं पता है. During दिवाली.
रहने दे.
अरे हम
रहने
serious.
दे.
अरिंजय उसके लिए दोस्त चाहिए होते हैं.
यार ऐसे पर्सनल अटैक्स.
Anyway, guys. So, moving on before you guys insult me more. What is the worst or the weirdest pickup line someone has used on you or you have used on someone? Wait. स्वस्ति का मैं reaction मैं स्वस्ति का reaction guess कर सकता हूँ. भाड़ में जाओ.
हाँ yes
Swati,
yes,
go
yes.
ahead.
But it
Oh,
was on chat. तो मैंने हाँ तो
बोलो.
someone said if corona doesn't take you out, can I?
Oh भाई.
यार
हाय
मेरा भी पति जैसा शक्ल हो गया.
हाय.
Oh.
Guys, can we have a group Swasti Shakal? Can we have a group Swasti Shakal for the thumbnail now?
Okay.
All right.
Oh.
Anyway. What about you, Purvi?
No, wait.
यार,
I'll say.
अच्छा ठीक है.
Okay, Juhi, please.
Okay. Oh ठीक है. I know. Good one. But
Wait.
before हाँ ठीक है बोल.
Before you say anything, Indian sweets are not allowed to be mentioned in pickup lines. So yeah.
जूही जो है वो है. We are talking about a friend here. So
Yeah, we
Oh
have
God.
a friend.
it's okay.
Oh God.
I don't use. We have a friend who used this pickup line.
What would it be? And who would this friend be? I don't know.
You want to know who the friend is?
No, I have no interest in knowing. But let's keep this
Jahangir.
person's identity anonymous. And let's continue.
Sure.
Wait. So let me tell you what the line is. Hey baby, will you be my jalebi? Don't say maybe.
Oh man, he कौन use करता है, guys? Sounds like such a stupid line, and the guy who used this probably sounds like a retard. Anyway,
Insert cricket noises here.
insert cricket noises here. Obviously, that person is 100% not me or anyone present in this podcast.
Yeah. It's not arranged.
Let me use my host privilege to change the topic. Rudrakshi, what is the weirdest line someone has used on you?
I don't know if it's a line or anything, but this one person, he texted me and he was like, would you like to go out with me and blah, blah, blah. I was like, मतलब आगे बोलने दो बच्चे को. And then he says कि 5 बजे meet me at TC. 5 बजे meet me at TC for chai and sutta.
तो भाई दान थोड़ी ना कर रहे हो बेचारे पे यार. चलो भाई आज चला जाते हैं इसके साथ यार. सोशल वर्क करने का मूड कर रहा है आज.
That's for people.
So did you
अगर
go?
कुछ सोशल वर्क करने का मन करे तो पैट बैंक की साइट पे जाके डोनेट कीजिए.
So like end of the day, did you go for chai sutta with him?
No.
Oh बेचारा दिल टूट गया.
Purvi, तू बता. What's the weirdest pickup line you've heard? Have you used it? Has someone else used it? Or has a friend used it?
What is this friend you guys keep talking about?
मेरी शक्ल देखो कोई नहीं पूछता मुझसे but I do have a friend.
Liar.
I do have
Uh-huh.
a friend. I do have a
The
friend.
tea comes out.
So basically he liked this girl. Okay. And she was a little short.
Oh God. Eh. Hello boss. Hello. ये क्या चल रहा है? Hey, this story is not allowed to go outside, okay?
Okay, no, but I'll tell you this one weird as fuck guy came to me, okay?
Mm-hmm.
He's like, so he sent me a screenshot of this YouTube video I
Mhm.
made when I was like 11.
Okay.
Okay.
You
And
made YouTube videos when you were 11?
No, the
बड़े
one
लोग, बड़े
video
लोग.
I made it that to my no, my mom made it and she put it on
छोटे
YouTube. Okay.
11-year-old.
Oh,
No.
छोटे
यहाँ पे स्क्रीन शेयर करके देखता है ना सब.
अरे हाँ,
अरे
एंड में वही
नहीं
करेंगे, एंड में वही करेंगे, एंड में वही
नहीं
करेंगे. बढ़िया बढ़िया. नाइस आइडिया. स्वस्ति इज
नहीं
द बेस्ट ब्रो राइट नाउ. क्या एक्सप्रेशन लाती है, क्या वो
Thanks.
करती है, एपिक. एनीवे,
हम जो
चलो
कंटेंट ला रहे हैं इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल डिशेस का, उसको भी तो कुछ एक्नॉलेज करो.
but listen, it's in the family. स्वास्थ्य मेरे पे ही गई है.
ओ भाई.
हाँ, but सुनो,
Oh,
so he said,
exactly.
so सुनो, he sent me he sent me a screenshot, okay, and I'm like, what is this? ठीक है, he's like, देख तूने सुना होगा ना सब फेसबुक पे स्टॉक करते हैं, इंस्टाग्राम पे स्टॉक करते हैं, मैंने
मैं
तुझे
ये
यूट्यूब पे स्टॉक किया,
ओ भाई
अब
तगड़ा.
कोई से बीट करके दिखाओ. I'm like,
मैं
what?
एसएलसीएम पे स्टॉक करेगा, अब
Lord.
बताओ.
Adit joined the chat.
Oh shit. Adit join the chat. And
SSCM सुनते आदित left the chat. तो काम खत्म.
oh bhai. All right. So guys, due to shortage of
Don't know
time, we
what's
can't.
the worst pickup line you've heard or you've used.
And just tell us, what's the
Oh.
worst pickup line you've used?
The
and
nation
you've
wants to know.
All right. So I mean, like, I'm pretty sure everybody will be cool with this, and it's been a long time. So like, so like first week of Manipal, okay. So I'm just like poor innocent cute sa bachcha coming out of 12th grade, and dude, Swasti's face is back again. Innocent. शक्ल देख के तो लग नहीं रहा है. But yeah, so I'm just gonna like cover Swasti's face with my hand तो मैं थोड़ा जजी ना लगूं. But
तू जज नहीं लगेगा, वही जज ही लगेगी.
हाँ भाई, मेरे को टेंशन हो रहा है ना देखने में. Anyway,
तो हम
so
सब वैसे देखेंगे.
guys, coming back to the point. So like there was this like girl, I won't be taking her name obviously, but so I was like, oh wow, this person looks interesting, and I had no intentions of flirting. Okay, तो मैं उसके पास गया and she's like super short. She's like, stop. ये क्या एनिमेशन चल रहा है क्या पूरे स्टोरी का? पूर्वी की साइड में. Anyway, so she's like super short. Okay, so like I'm 5'7" and she must be like 4'9" or 4'8" or something. तो मैं उसके पास गया and I had no intention of like saying anything stupid at all, but I'm just like, first sentence out is like, hey, you're short, I like short girls. भाई nervousness में निकल गया. And this girl who was standing next to her, she's my best friend now. तो वो उस समय नहीं थी. उस समय मेरे को लग रहा है ये चूतिया कौन लेकर आया यार इसे. तो उस समय she was like, she told that short girl, she's like, flirt कर रहा है तेरे साथ. And I'm like, भाई मेरे को मारो भाई, कोई VIT ले जाओ भाई, नहीं बैठना है मेरे को MIT में, और खत्म करो एडमिशन, 4 लाख मैं दे दूंगा भाई, और खत्म करो बस. But yeah, so anyway guys, so like now that we have gone past all my stupid questions, let's move to the stupid questions which the audience have asked you guys. This is also my
more.
favorite segment of the entire podcast. So you guys have asked these wonderful ladies some questions and now they will be answering them one by one. Okay. So now let me ask the first question. This question is to everyone, okay? Who is the most hardworking of you all and who's the most fun?
I think Purvi is the most hardworking.
Validation मिल रहे हैं.
Oh. But no, but I think it's Rudrakshi because like वो articles लिखते हैं ना, उसमें मतलब बहुत research चाहिए होती है. But honestly, like we all work. ये बहुत ही diplomatic answer हो गया.
It's always a
I
team
think
effort,
it's
ना तो
Purvi.
yeah.
Honestly, it's Purvi. She does all the
No.
work.
No, wait, but I'll tell you, okay? Who's the most fun person? That is me.
Me.
No.
There is no person here who's fun, okay? No one is fun.
Okay.
Exposed, Pad Bank exposed on the Almighty podcast. Yeah, next question is to Purvi. Purvi, do you see Pad Bank as a hobby or like as a serious profession in the future?
Not a profession, because I mean, a profession gets you money, right? But like, yes,
Stonks.
I do. Yeah, but
ये गांधी मांगता है, सब लोग गांधी मांगता है.
है ना गांधी
Yeah.
जयंती.
oh हाँ.
Oh yeah. Now you exposed a date when we shot this podcast, you know, Juhi. तो अब सबको पता चल जाएगा
Very bad,
मैं
Juhi.
कितना टाइम लगाता हूँ एडिटिंग में. Anyway,
हमने बीच
But
में
yeah,
टाइम
it's-
पास किया, देखो obviously टाइम लगेगा पूरी घंटे. सॉरी.
Yeah, but it's not a hobby, obviously. Like, I
mhm.
want this to last.
Okay, guys. Anyway, next question is for me, so I'll be asking myself and answering it myself. Arinjay,
Either you could see the question.
Arinjay, you cutie, I give you kissu. Sure, kissu and all is fine. Social
तूने
distancing
खुद
करो अभी.
लिखा है.
अभी
तूने
social-
खुद
Guys,
लिखा है ना.
अरे मैंने नहीं लिखा है.
Exactly, guys.
कि कोई
अरे,
लड़की
let
तो
me-
बात
अरे,
नहीं
let me just
करती
say,
है,
खुद
okay,
लिखा है.
अरे
हाँ,
अरिंजय हर पॉडकास्ट में
हर पॉडकास्ट में
अरिंजय,
खुद ही
हाँ।
डालते रहता है अपने
अरे,
क्वेश्चन.
हाँ.
कुछ
Every
फर्स्ट
single
पॉडकास्ट तो
podcast
पढ़ा
has-
था.
हाँ.
कुछ भी मतलब.
So, उसके बाद second और
हर
third में तो
podcast
every single thing he
हाँ.
puts this.
See guys,
For
my life is
उसका
very
एक
lonely,
बीच
but
में
it has not
डाल
hit that
देता
point yet. इतना lonely नहीं हुआ है अभी तक.
Stop
It
lying.
has,
Stop
Arinjay,
lying.
it
Let
has.
me answer the concerns of the ladies, man. So kissu and all is fine. Social distancing right now, पर आएगा. Don't worry. Swasti, who's your crush in Manipal?
किसने पूछा है ये?
हमका नहीं पता.
Anonymous.
It's anonymous, bro.
I know किसने पूछा.
बताओ.
तो पता
बोल ना.
बताओ ना.
who's my crush?
स्वस्ति
I
भी
don't have a
like
crush.
मैं
Swasti,
बताऊंगी.
You
I
know
have a
your
crush on
answer.
Rudrakshi.
No, shut up. You know the real
Hey,
answer.
hey,
Just
hello.
say it, okay?
Just say it.
No diplomatic answer.
देख स्वस्ति, who knows तेरी setting हो जाए हमारे podcast पे ही, तो बोल दे.
हाँ.
My crush. I don't know.
See, I'm just saying, if you take your crush's
यहाँ
name,
पे-
तो setting हो सकती है.
I have a crush on Arinjay.
ओ भाई, वो तो पता ही है.
Oh,
सबको है,
Jai.
सबको
Let
है.
me just snoop.
सबको है, but like guys,
Chup
small inconvenience, like you know,
Social distancing.
I'm social distancing, तो यार थोड़ा सा दूर रहना
By
होगा.
the way, I am also very short.
ओ भाई, ये क्या चल रहा है? PTSD हो रहा है यहाँ पर मेरे को.
मार रही है.
ये तो सीधा लाइन मार रही है. Wait, let me make Swasti face now.
Oh, yeah, make me.
So,
Oh.
Purvi, next question is to
Yeah.
you. Purvi, why do you think Divyansh is the best looking guy in Manipal?
उसने खुद नहीं लिखा होगा ना.
दिव्यांश
obviously.
सुनो. ठीक है, दिव्यांश तुम सुनो. इडली डोसा बस.
So thank you for that very clear answer जो सबको समझ में आया. मेरे को एनालॉग सर्किट ज्यादा अच्छे से समझ में आता है देन दिस आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज टू किसको चाहिए?
खुद को चाहिए. खुद ने खुद
Okay,
के लिए
this
क्या लिखा है वही पूछ
this
ले.
is a very serious question. Okay, so I mean
रुद्राक्षी.
okay, Rudrakshi, this is a very technical and serious question.
मुझे मिला है.
Okay, Rudrakshi, next question to you. After living in various cities with different economic standards, how strongly would you say is the correlation between a place's economic activity and the stigma towards menstruation? देखो, आधा क्वेश्चन मेरे को नहीं समझ में आया है. तू संभाल ले.
पूर्वी
तू
पूर्वी
संभाल
वो
ले.
वाला क्वेश्चन अरिंजय से पूछ ले. पूर्वी वो वाला क्वेश्चन अरिंजय से पूछ ले.
हाँ, actually, Arinjay, yes. Team Padback has questions for you as well towards the end.
End में.
Okay? हाँ.
Okay. So, Rudrakshi, I'll just simplify this question for you. So you've lived in various cities in India, right? So how do you feel that people stigmatize menstruation in those different cities? Is it better in one place or is it worse off in another place or something along those lines?
See, I'll tell you the thing is कि मैं बड़ी होती गई हूँ ना, like whenever I've changed places. So when I was young, at every place it was very stigmatized. Okay, no one talked about menstruation. It was very difficult to even like carry sanitary napkins and stuff. But like as we're growing up, it is becoming quite normalized. So I don't really know कि city का क्या फर्क पड़ा है.
All right. So basically, geography doesn't really have a this thing say in the matter, right? Like, pura India is screwed up in
Yeah.
this matter, but like I feel like positive change is also
बदल
coming.
रहा है ना.
Yeah,
हाँ,
positive change
बदल
is coming.
रहा है.
So
Yeah,
like,
it's changing.
guys, another serious question for all of you this time. Have you ever been held back from, I really like this question, by the way. Have you ever been held back from your family members or friends from working with such an organization because of that log kya kahenge thing?
Yes.
No,
No.
not at all.
No,
I
You have been.
Oh, bhai.
Yeah.
So Purvi, would you like to talk a bit more
Fun.
about that?
Hey, how?
Swasti is like, कौन? मैं पीटेगा जाकर.
The founder put
Same
नहीं, लेकिन
family, no.
मैं
Same
उसको
family,
जानती
no.
होगी ना, हाँ,
हाँ,
that is
same
why.
family, no.
Basically, I don't want to name the family member, okay, but like I don't know, जैसे typically, you know, when जैसे family members घर पे आते हैं, ठीक है, and if like this family member is present, we don't talk about Bad Bank, right? And जैसे अभी हमारे एक recently event हुआ था, तो you know, I wanted कि basically जो link है for the Zoom meeting, right? जिधर हमारा event हुआ था, basically everyone should get it. So I was like, you know, put it on the family group and all. But you know, some people were like, नहीं, मतलब उसपे थोड़े, you know, elderly लोग भी हैं, so it doesn't look nice. So इतना ज़्यादा नहीं हुआ है, but yeah, like थोड़ा वो है कि we not talk about it simply.
I feel like we are privileged enough to belong from such families जहाँ पे बात कर सकते हो, right? And like काफी लोग in
Exactly.
India, they legit cannot. Like a friend of mine, she was very embarrassed when she had her period. She's like, she was like acting very awkward. Okay, so I'm like, भाई क्या scene है? So she's like, I'm on my periods, don't tell anyone. I'm like, and she's like, I know it's very embarrassing for you guys. I'm like, भाई मेरे को कोई problem नहीं है, आराम से chill करो. So yeah, it's very
यार
stigmatized.
I'll tell you something. What you did was pretty cool. पता है मेरी क्लास में जब मैं 7th में थी, तो that is typically when like people were getting their periods, okay? तो वो लड़के से खीखी करके हंसते रहते थे पूरे टाइम.
No,
मतलब
but
उन्होंने कोई काम तो वो हंसते रहते थे, ठीक है? And मतलब poor girl, she is going through something,
I
पेट
swear.
दर्द हो रहा है, you know. And वो मतलब उन्हें हंसी आती थी, they like whisper and stuff. It was just annoying simply.
Yeah, that's just it's weird
No,
shit,
you
man.
know, even like जब मैं छोटी थी ना, even in my school also, you know, sometimes how you get stained, like when you're on your period days, and there's nothing you can do about it. अब मतलब तुम स्कूल में हो क्या करोगे, कपड़े थोड़ी बदलोगे. And like a lot of people used to laugh as if like पता नहीं क्या ही हो गया. I mean, it's natural and
Yeah,
it was
I mean, like
sad.
on the bright side, we see positive changes coming along now, right?
Yeah.
And like you guys are
Right.
obviously front bearers of that shit. I mean, like I'll be honest, okay? Like I believe कि आगे जाकर the people who'll change like India in general would be entrepreneurs or people who take up their own initiative, not like government officials or like people in high corporate positions and shit like that. So yeah, it's good enough to see the work you're doing.
Yeah.
And
See, the thing is, just say it is changing, it is getting better, but then we can't ignore the fact that there is a long way to go.
100%, 100%.
And
Yeah, first
these
of
things
all,
do happen right now.
and the best part is like you're like, you know, doing this in an engineering college, which has a long history of being like dudes only. भाई पहली बार मैं अपने क्लास में बैठा था मेरी फट गई थी. हम भाई हर जगह लड़के लड़के लड़के. I was not used to this, okay? तो अब काफी भारी बातें हो
Guys,
गई.
by the way, Arinja has also donated a lot to Bad Bank. So
Give me validation, please. I did not pay her to say that. Next question is to Juhi. Juhi, what are your thoughts on Prabhat, Adit, and Arinjay?
यार मेरे को क्यों लग रहा है कि सूर्य लिखा है या आदित्य लिखा है या प्रभात ने लिखा, मतलब तुम तीन में से
See,
मतलब
मेरे को
तीनों ने
मेरे को
लिखा होगा
पता है
जूही.
मेरे को पता है कौन लिखा है and it is not me.
सूर्य
So
लिखा है. हाँ, तो आदित्य
I
है,
think it's
पक्का
Adit. I think it's
हाँ,
Adit.
पक्का आदित्य. हाँ, कूल लोग हो तुम लोग, और क्या. तू नहीं, तू बहुत ज्यादा कूल है अरिंजय, बहुत ज्यादा कूल है.
I would have felt
You
better if you said
appreciate
something.
my, yes, let me say. You guys appreciate my jokes, which I really like. You laugh even though it's not worth laughing. आदित्य से मैं कभी कभी गुस्सा हो जाती हूँ क्योंकि वो acknowledge नहीं करता. ये गिफ्ट्स होती है जो सबको नहीं मिलती है ना पूर्वी. इतने अच्छे जोक्स सबको नहीं सुनाती मैं.
हाँ, it's a quality content जो मिलता है ना हमें. I feel blessed.
भी प्यार से समझा रही है.
Every day in my blessings I count this. Thank you God for Juhi's jokes. जय श्री
I
राम.
love you, man.
कल मेरे को बंदी दिला देना.
Arinja, OP in the chat.
Arinjay, OP.
Anyway guys, तो मेरे को validation देने के लिए thank you.
नहीं मतलब सबका सेम ही है. तुम तीन बहुत ऐसे सिमिलर लोग हो, मतलब एटलीस्ट मेरे साथ. I have like a good talking thing with all of you all, and it's really nice to have, you know, people like you all in my life. अब उड़ जाओ सारे के सारे, तुम्हारे चांसेस बढ़ा दिए मैंने.
Alright, so guys, next question is to Purvi. Purvi, on an average day, how many pigeons can you carry?
This many.
This many.
Alright guys, that brings us to an end of the Q&A session. I'm pretty sure you guys had as much fun answering those weird questions as I had asking them to you guys, right?
No.
No.
यार मैं इतना excited होके पूछा था यार, हाँ बोल देते.
आगे चल.
आगे बताइए.
Alright, so I just have 2 more questions left for you guys now. And the
Okay.
second last question is, what would be your one piece of relationship advice you would like to give any guy out there? Because Londo ko usually clueless रहते हैं.
ये तो आप मेरे को पूछ रहा है ना?
No, what? What? Swasti, तेरे को कैसे पता?
Swasti, attack.
Anyway, first I would like to give Swasti advice. So, Swasti, if a guy asks you out, please don't do this. Yeah. Anyway, now
Purvi,
Purvi, तू बता.
हम
Let me
seriously
think,
बोल
let
रहे हैं,
me-
हाँ, because we are
हाँ.
like matchmakers ना, तो हमें
Yeah, yeah.
seriously
हाँ.
जवाब देना चाहिए. मैं बोल रही हूँ, pick-up lines मत use करो, नहीं work करती.
हाँ, yes,
Basically,
yes, yes.
जो भी लोग सुन रहे हैं जिनका नाम राइम होता है मरिंजा से, ठीक है, तुम अपनी पिकअप लाइन में जलेबी मत यूज करो, तुम शॉर्ट मत यूज करो, you're good to go.
Short was not a pickup line. Jalebi was a fad. Okay, it was not actual
Yeah.
pickup line.
पर तेरे से हम बुलवाएंगे तेरी फ्यूचर गर्लफ्रेंड को, तू देख.
हाँ.
मुझे पूर्वी को देखना है रिएक्शन. अगर
Jokes on
भाग
you.
गई तो मतलब तेरे लिए नहीं थी, और अगर
हाँ.
रह गई तो मतलब तो मैच मेड इन हेवन अरेंज है. जलेबी एंड जलेबा.
मैं बताती हूँ, देखो, सबसे पहले तो बी कॉन्फिडेंट,
Mhm,
ठीक है, जो है वो बोलो, घुमा फिरा के बात मत करो. एंड
mhm.
सेकेंडली,
हाँ, same.
जब भी टाइम मिले ना, सॉरी बोल दो.
Oh,
कुछ
भाई,
भी हो,
ये क्या बात
सॉरी
हुई?
बोलो.
ये क्या बात
ऐसे
हुई?
ऐसे, sorry.
So she's
सही है.
like,
और
she's
तुम
like,
बता,
so she's like, good morning, and I'm like, sorry, sir.
नहीं, सही है, वो करना चाहिए.
है ना? अच्छा, if she says good morning, what if she's like, why didn't you wish me good morning before? तो तुझे sorry बोलना पड़ेगा. So it's better you say sorry before.
Fair enough. And if she's
Sorry,
like, happy birthday to you, and then I'll be like, sorry, मेरे अभी गलती से जन्म हो गया.
Yeah, what if she has like an important like thing that day, and
Okay.
तेरा birthday उस दिन आ
So
जाता है. She's
Juhi's advice is,
सॉरी बोलना चाहिए.
अरे Juhi's
Don't
advice,
give
हाँ.
pick-up lines.
yeah,
हाँ,
Juhi's
pick-up
advice is
lines use
no
मत
pickup
करो.
lines. Purvi's advice is sorry
Yeah.
बोल दे और घुमाओ फिराओ मत. और रुद्राक्षी तेरा क्या सीन है?
मैं तो बोला ना, कुछ भी बोलने से सुधरने वाले हो तुम लोग. सो
ओ भाई, तो गिव अप मार के बैठी हुई है यार.
लेवल पे गई.
क्या चल रहा है सामने?
मरिंजा सुन रहा है.
स्वस्ति तेरा क्या सीन है? What advice would you
If
give?
you see your girl, तुम में interested नहीं है तो back off.
Social distancing maintain करना शुरू कर लो अपना.
सही है, बिल्कुल सही है. हाँ.
That is true. And like, let's not talk about that. Anyway, Juhi,
और एक बात, हाँ, और एक बात कि लड़कियां को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करो लेकिन फ्लैटर मत करो. डिफरेंस होता है, वो समझो.
and I'm pretty
Yeah.
sure like लड़कियों को समझ आएगा जब when
Compliment-
somebody is flattering them. ये चूतिया क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ,
नहीं,
अभी
और
निकलो.
but the thing is,
हाँ.
compliments अच्छे लगते हैं. जैसे even if like somebody
जैसे
goes to
अच्छा
like
हमें
homeless,
compliment
no, हाँ, कर compliment कर.
हमें कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर. चल.
Uh,
इतना क्या
कर,
सोच रहा
अरे
है?
just कर.
पागल है क्या?
अरे just do it.
बोला ना,
Do it.
you can do it. Nike.
Juhi, nice t-shirt.
Do it.
That's so mean. You.
that's not a compliment.
That's
Enjoy
such a
eating
mean
with the
thing to say.
So
That is-
mean.
How could that so mean?
That is.
mean.
How is
If
it mean?
someone tells you to compliment them, you can't compliment their outfit, because then that means कि तुझे और कुछ नहीं दिख रहा,
अरे,
सिर्फ
no, no.
outfit दिख रहा है.
Listen
is
to
so mean.
listen to my this thing. What do you call it? Listen to my explanation why it said that.
We
So-
don't want to
अरे
listen.
सुन लो यार एक
अभी
मिनट.
कट गया तेरा,
So,
इसलिए तेरी गर्लफ्रेंड नहीं है.
अरे सुन तो लो भाई. So
बताओ,
basically
बताओ.
the reasoning behind that is that you can't choose how you look, right? But you can choose what you wear. So basically complimenting her choice.
Bullshit.
What? So you're saying that she's not pretty, but like, you know, तुमने कपड़े ठीक
No,
पहने
but
तो मेरे को ठीक लगा.
अरे the problem is that when you're
अरिंजय, अभी तू सच्ची में कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर और कुछ अच्छा
हाँ.
बोल. ये कपड़े सुपरफिशियल चीजों के कॉम्प्लीमेंट नहीं करते हैं, ठीक है?
Okay.
उसको बहुत mean लगता है.
Audience,
ये भी
हाँ,
नहीं.
audience सुन लो. The first example was जो नहीं करना है, and now अरिंजय वो दिखा जो
अरिंजय ठीक से कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर.
गंदा बुली कर रहे हो. Alright. Swasti, I like your bangs.
That is
Thank
so
you.
mean.
अरे भाई क्या
Shut
चल
up.
रहा है? ये तो भाई एक्चुअल कॉम्प्लीमेंट था भाई, ऐसा मत करो भाई शरीफ आदमी के साथ. Moving
Yes,
on,
boys are eating.
before I get more bullied in the podcast, let's move on from this part. Yeah. So guys, that pretty much brings us to the last question of the entire podcast, thankfully. बहुत बहुत लिए मेरी इन लोगों ने इस
Aw,
podcast में.
you wanna get rid of us?
Last question, let's end it on a very serious note. So, because why not? सब लोग, everybody ends it on a light note, but we are different. So,
हमने beginning से लेके end तक light mode ही चल रहा है.
so in the end, guys, just one question: what do you see as the vision for Pad Bank? Where do you see Pad Bank in the next 5 years?
Okay, should I answer this?
Any one of you?
हाँ, बोल.
Acha. So, I mean, I would want, Pad Bank more than one. Just abhi we're just operating in Jaipur right now, but I would want, Pad Bank more than मतलब Jaipur, Mumbai, Manipal. In some cities we can like provide girls with sanitary napkins. Plus, just period poverty is very much there in like Haryana or in some states maybe, right?
Yeah.
So it would be nice if we could, supply pads here as well.
Fair enough. And guys,
And we hope to see our, articles, our social media page, basically it like helps people out, helps people understand, spread knowledge, things like that.
fair enough. And guys, to help these guys in their mission, I'll be linking the address to which you guys can donate stuff. They only accept donations in kind, so you guys can order this thing, hand sanitizers or pads, and send it to this address, which will be there on their website. So yeah, that pretty much brings us to an end to this segment
Arinjay
of
has
the.
done his research. So Arinjay, what do you think periods are?
ओ भाई ये लोग टेक्निकल क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं.
नहीं but मतलब अच्छा ठीक है जैसे अच्छा
Parikshit का head of management है. You should know this much.
yeah
Okay, wait, let me think about this क्योंकि मैं कुछ गलत बोल दूंगा तो काफी
मतलब
सीन
होता
बढ़ेगा.
क्या?
मत
मतलब होता क्या है?
जल्दी सोच. मेरे पास 7 मिनट है. ठीक है.
So like for the period question, I would like my understanding of it is like this thing which all women go through from the age of 13 to 52, which is a natural process where they may or may not.
ने गूगल किया है क्या?
पागल है क्या?
क्या है ये पूरा?
Obviously मैं पढ़ के आया हूँ यार. I was going against like this organization वाले लोग, मैं रट्टा मार के आया हूँ.
ठीक है बोल.
Yeah.
फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे. बोल.
Yeah, so basically यार मैं अपने एक दोस्त के साथ एक कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहा था कल समझने के लिए कि exactly होता क्या है. So I'll tell you what all I remember. So yeah, so
को ये सारी चीजें पहले बोलनी चाहिए ना. फिर हम तुझे बोल ही नहीं रहे. ये कितनी क्यूट बात कर रही है.
हाँ तो पूरा
You're
बुली कर
so
लिया फिर
nice.
बोल रहे हो तुम लोग ये.
ये कितना
so
अच्छा है.
okay, but honestly कितना cute है ये. Thank you so much.
अरे
What a cutie.
वो तो हम है ही, वो तो पता ही है. Anyway, point being कि like so what basically happens is that like you know how egg fertilization or something happens right at the age or this age. So like you get like new eggs every month and like purana wala they bleed out of your vagina, right? That's pretty much it, right?
Kind of.
देखो मेरे को इतना ही समझ में आया है.
मतलब
It's okay. It's okay.
egg doesn't bleed out. Lining of the uterus
Yeah.
bleeds out क्योंकि
Yeah.
egg
So
fertilize नहीं हुआ इसलिए.
basically the scene is कि like every woman like in month में एक बार ऐसा period होता है कि when their eggs are ready to be fertilized, so that time your whole body gets ready to get an egg. जब नहीं आता है so then it all bleeds out. हाँ वो समझ में आया मेरे को, वो सही है ना? Thank God.
Yes.
क्यूट बात है ना बिगनिंग में बोलनी चाहिए.
हाँ.
हम इतना इन नहीं होते ना. ये कितनी क्यूट
हाँ.
बात है कि तू रिसर्च
अब-
करके बैठा है.
अब कितना बुरा लग रहा है.
हाँ,
अरे?
अब तो पक्का
मेरे को नहीं लग रहा. Sorry.
मेरे को भी नहीं लग रहा है.